pantay ang pagkakataon sa loob ng silid-aralan. Minsan, sapat na ang maling paniniwala ng mga guro at kamag-aral upang ipagkait sa isang bata ang karapatang matuto, makisama, at mangarap.
Good morning, class! So ngayon, nagkakaroon tayo ng group activity. So kailangan niyo pumili ng kagrupo na sa tingin niyo makakatulong para makakuha kayo ng mataas na marka.
Uy, huwag na natin sama si Gary. Baka mahirapan tayo o mabagal yun eh.
Oo nga, sayang oras natin kung kasama natin siya.
Kung tingin niyo mahihirapan kayo, huwag niyo na isama si Gary. Hindi niyo naman kaya makapagsabayan.
Opo ma'am, mas okay na po yan.
Mas masakit pa sa masasakit na salita ang hindi pagpansin, sapagkat sa katahimikan, paulit-ulit na ipinapaalala kay Gary na sa mundong ito, hindi siya kabilang.
Siguro tama sila. Siguro hindi ako tao dito.
Commonwealth Act Number 3203, Article 356 and 259. The right of every child is to live in an atmosphere conducive to his or her physical, moral, and intellectual development, and the concomitant duty of the government to promote the full growth of the facilities of every child. Republic Act Number 5250, an act establishing a 10-year teaching training program of special and exceptional children.
1975 Presidential Decree Number 603, also known as Child and Youth Welfare Code of Article 3. The emotionally disturbed or socially maladjusted child shall be treated with sympathy and understanding, and shall be given the education and care required by his particular conditions.
This is the court-violated legal basis of special education. In this scenario, Gary is excluded from group activities because of his mental condition. His teacher even instructs the class not to include him, believing he cannot keep up. This act of discrimination denies Gary equal access to learning opportunities. According to Education Act of 1982, every individual has the right to relevant quality education regardless of physical or mental condition. By isolating Gary and preventing him from participating, the teacher violates this legal mandate, depriving him of both access and enjoyment of benefits of education that the law guarantees to all citizens.
The Education Act of 1982 or Batas Pambansa bilang 232, Section 24, General Provision. Special education, the education of persons who are physically, mentally, emotionally, socially, culturally different from the so-called normal. Individuals that they require modification of school practices or services to develop their maximum capacity. And lastly, Republic Act Number 7610 of 1992, an act providing for strong deterrence and special protection against child abuse, exploitation, and discrimination, providing penalties for its violation and other purposes.
Appropriate actions to be taken. First, we have implementation of inclusive classroom practices. It states that the teacher must ensure that all learners, regardless of ability, are included in class activities by using flexible grouping and differentiated tasks suited to each learner's strengths.
So the second is teacher training and special and inclusive education. Teachers should undergo continuous professional development to better understand learners with special needs and apply appropriate teaching strategies without discrimination. So let's proceed to number 3, development of an individualized education plan or IEP. An IEP should be prepared for special students to address their specific learning needs, abilities, and goals, ensuring that they receive appropriate support and opportunities to participate. So, number 4 is activation of the School Child Protection Committee or CPC. The incident should be reported and addressed by the CPC to ensure that the child's rights are protected and that corrective measures are properly implemented.
Promotion of positive discipline and empathy. Teachers should model respectful language and behavior, fostering an environment of empathy and understanding among students to prevent exclusion and bullying.
Regular monitoring and supervision of teaching practices. School administrators should observe and evaluate classroom practices to ensure compliance with inclusive education and child protection policies.
Across the ages, still I walk with you.
Gary, tatawa. Akala ko kapag may matigas ko sa'yo, mas magiging matatag ka. Mali ako. Hindi ko nang malaya sa bawat salitang lilitawan ko, mas lalo kita nasasaktan. Mali ako. Masusugatan pala ang inosente at walang kumang puso kapag nakikita ng kaibigan. Patawad. Anak, sana mapatawad mo ako.
Ayos lang po ma'am. Sana po sa susunod. Mabigyan din po ako ng pagkakataon.
Your mercy flows eternally. Lord, I long to walk with you through every mountain, valley too. Let all things be as you desire. Teach me to worship through